All right, what'd you say, baby?
I think it's a treasure.
What did you think? How did you make you think, or what made you think it was a treasure?
Yeah. Good.
Gosh, you're doing so good. Here, look, I'll teach you a trick. Put your foot right there.
Here?
Watch this. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
watch this,
And
like
go
this,
like-
baby.
and
Look,
go
take
like-
your foot and watch. Push your foot down, and then you can dig up big
Whoa.
stuff. And then take this and chop it apart and see if there's a rock in there that looks like an arrowhead. If you do, I'll give you $20 per arrowhead.
Dad, look. It's a bounty ball. Dad, look. It's a bounty ball.
There you go, baby.
Down the mountain. It sucks. Dad.
Here's Denver Boone. We started arrowhead hunting, and now he is a dirt monster. Whoa! Whoa, Mama's gonna kill me. That's okay. It's worth it. Y'all are having so much fun. And you're not on a learning pad or a TV. I'll take it. What you doing, no glow toes? Little Miss Glow Toes. You making it, baby? Here comes Denver again.
Yay, a lot of animals are killing me.
Whoa!
A lot of animals.
Keep going, Charlie. Don't give up, baby. Keep going. Yes. Keep going. Oh, you're stepping on your dress. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You almost got it, baby. Look at y'all little mountain goats.
I want to win.
Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up.
I feel what a bump on my butt. Top.
Whoa!
Now to whoever gets to the bottom. Ready, set, let's go.
Woo! Oh no, we're losing her.
Whoa. Yeah. I'm gonna win.
Go ahead, winner girl.
Woo. I'm gonna be.
You're gonna make it. Charlie's gonna make it. Where's the shovel, buddy?
Over here somewhere.
Do you know? Well, we got to find it before it gets dark, because once it gets dark, it'll be hard to find. You made it. Look, you're as high as that airplane flying over there.
I'm fine. Yay. Oh my goodness, some of them. My.